Hey everyone, Sarah here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ratefair, your mortgage brokers who care. Today's video is on pros and cons of using a mortgage broker versus using a bank mortgage specialist. I'm going to go over the advantages and the disadvantages of both. And the good news is that I've actually been in both roles. I was a mortgage specialist for 3 years at a big bank previously, and now I'm a mortgage broker. But first, if you enjoy this mortgage content and you like straightforward and honest mortgage advice, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it and it helps my business more than you know. So let's start off with the pros of using a mortgage broker. So number one, rates are typically lower. So when working with a mortgage broker, we can shop multiple lenders for you to get the best possible rate for your situation. We have A lenders, monoline lenders, credit unions, B or alternative lenders, and private lenders. So there's lots of options out there for you. Second would be there's more flexibility. So again, we have multiple lenders that want your business, and our job is to match you with the correct lender and find the best possible rate for you. We also have lenders that have special promotions from time to time, such as lower rates on quick close mortgages, where quick close meaning the mortgage is funding within about 30 to 60 days. Also, if you have poor credit, a mortgage broker does have other options for you to get lending. Where a bank, you have to have a certain credit score to get a mortgage, usually having a credit score higher than 600 or greater. So if you have a more tricky deal, maybe because you're self-employed, maybe you have some credit issues, or maybe you have a lot of rental properties or any other characteristics that just don't fit within the traditional guidelines, we as mortgage brokers may have an option for you. And finally, our third pro would be higher efficiency. So your mortgage broker can talk to multiple lenders at a time, see if your deal fits with their guidelines. This could potentially cause you less stress by meeting your financing condition date rather than having to ask for a financing extension and just creating more stress. All right, so let's talk about the mortgage broker cons. So they are not a one-stop shop. That is one con. If you're a client that likes to have all your banking at one place, then maybe a mortgage broker is not a good fit for you. However, it is a good idea to keep in mind that we can submit to multiple big banks. So definitely reach out to your mortgage broker and see if that is an option for you. And the second con to using a mortgage broker is that we can't do self-build mortgages with traditional A and B lenders. So a self-build mortgage is where you yourself is wanting to be the general contractor to build your house. So if this is something you would want to do, then a bank might be a better fit. And especially if you already have that relationship with the bank, it just might be easier in that sense. So now for the bank mortgage specialist pros. The biggest pro is that they are a one-stop shop. If you like having everything at one bank and you're a diversified client with your current bank, they may be able to do special pricing on rates for you. So this means you have money in investments, could be $250,000, $500,000, $1 million, multiple accounts, such as checking and savings accounts and credit cards. So the bank may be wanting to retain your business, obviously, and which they would offer you a lower rate to keep your business. So cons of using a bank mortgage specialist, one would be that you only have one option for a mortgage product. So if you don't fit into their box or specific guidelines of the bank, then they probably won't proceed with your mortgage. Whereas a mortgage broker has multiple lenders that have different appetites and guidelines that may be a good fit for you. The second con of going to a bank versus mortgage broker would be that there is typically higher turnover of employees at the bank. So now this may not be as relevant for the mortgage specialist at the bank, but if you're getting a mortgage from a branch employee, there is a chance that you may not be dealing with the same person next time you go in, or you're looking for mortgage advice a few years down the road. Also, branch employees deal with a lot of other products like credit cards, lines of credit, bank accounts, investments, etc. So where mortgage brokers deal with just mortgages and they may have more scenarios that they've been over and have a better chance of getting you approved for that mortgage. So Obviously, this depends on the mortgage broker's experience as well, but if you have an experienced one, you may have a better chance of getting approved. All right, so those are my pros and cons of using a mortgage broker versus a bank mortgage specialist. Let me know in the comments if you agree or if you have any other pros and cons to add. Love to hear from you guys. And if you want more videos on, let's say, lifestyle, community, finance tips, and everything mortgages, please subscribe to our channel and make sure that you click the little bell to get notified when we come out with a new video. If you are looking to get pre-approved for a mortgage or just would like to have a consultation with somebody regarding your financial situation, regarding to mortgages, and seeing what works best for you, click the link below and fill out our contact form and you can talk to one of our team members. As always, thank you so much for listening and watching, and until next time, stay awesome and always be kind.